In a remote corner of Azerbaijan lies Yanar Dag, a mountain that breathes fire, its flames dancing perpetually as if guarding an ancient secret. Legend of Yanar Dag captivates those who visit each flame, whispering tales of its origin, natural gas that fuels this eternal blaze. Folklore speaks of ancient rituals performed here where fire was revered as a source of life and energy, drawing seekers and historians alike. Day breaks, the fire reveals its timeless beauty. Mountains surrounding it stand witness to centuries of mystery and allure. Searchers from around the world gather to study this geological marvel, eager to unlock the secrets of the flames that have danced here for generations.